Here's how to add confetti to your EzyCourse page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to EzyCourse, and then on the main menu under Website Builder, go to All Site Pages. Inside All Site Pages, click on the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use Home under the primary menu to go to the editor. Click on Build. Once you're inside the editor, on the left side panel under Widgets, find Custom HTML and then drag it anywhere in the middle of the page. By the way, please disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now going back to the custom HTML element, this will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Now, right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the HTML element, click Save to Preview. Then, on the upper right corner, also click Save and then Preview. This will open in a new tab and you should see the confetti animation in action. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations. By the way, if you are using the free version, you should see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.